You've got mail.
From the title of this video you already know that this is not a Poco. In fact, it is something that may be considered more premium, but we will have to see just how well it's holding up. So my friend decided to send this in for a video because this is in an interesting state. So I already see an entry point. Okay, so now it should just slide out. Wait, oh no, is it stuck? Well, it's already fighting with me. Okay, I got some grip. I'm going to try to pull it out. Oh my god, bro. Oh, you little prankster. It's sliding out slowly. Oh, I defeated it. So we got some bubble foil. We got more bubble. Oh, is it attached now? Yeah. So here's the thing, and is there anything more? Just an empty box. So now, let's take a look inside of what we will see. As you can see, it's cracked, but the cameras appear to be fine. Yeah, they're fine. As for the front, on the first glance, it doesn't look too bad. There's a little crack. Oh god, what happened on the sides? It definitely saw a lot of use. So now, I'm not sure if it has any charge in it, so I'm going to just plug it in. And it should turn on. Yep. Oh yeah, take a look at this. As you can see, there's some problems here. I'm not able to see how much battery this has or whether it has any signal, so I just have to set it up. Yeah. So let's go. Here's where things get fun. We are about to see whether this is iCloud locked. Wait. Did it just go through? He told me that he just pressed reset, and so I was guessing that we would have iCloud issues, but doesn't appear so. I remember that Face ID will be broken in this, but I'm going to try to set it up anyway. You don't see my face. Dude, am I stupid? This is my first time trying to use Face ID. I never was rich enough to get Face ID. Okay, well, I set up Face ID. It was not supposed to work, but okay. This is taking forever. Literally forever. Well, while it's doing its thing, we can notice that the display is kinda just cutting off here. Welcome to iPhone. And here we are. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you on this phone is the condition of the battery, because it is very good. As you can see, it's at 60%. Optimized battery charging, I don't think you need that anymore. The battery is going to die anytime soon. Alright, we have 26%, and why are you not charging? Alright, so first of all, let's actually see if Face ID works. So I'm going to stand up, look at the phone. Hello, do I have to swipe up? Do you see me? Yeah, okay. It's just a bit slow, but it works. I'm testing this because my friend had the issue that the phone was just crashing when he was trying to do Face ID, so I guess after a reset it fixed itself. Right, so we have the SIM in, and now I would like to play a game. Now, I think it would only be fair to play PUBG Mobile on here. And Roblox as well. Okay, what's new in Roblox today? Climb into Skibidi Toilet. This sounds like the perfect benchmark. Okay, I turned up the settings to maximum and the game is running just fine. It's not laggy or anything, I think it's 60 FPS actually. Alright, this seems to look cool. Damn, is this even Roblox anymore? This looks so good. And I can already feel that the phone is not keeping up. It's not 60 FPS, I feel it's more of 40 FPS, which is still cool. Oh yeah. Oh yes, this is very good. Oh, this phone is loving this. Let me actually check the back. Yeah, it's it's hot. It's goddamn hot. Not enough to burn my hand, but it's getting there. And it just so happens that PUBG has stopped downloading. What should I name my character? Oh, I know. iPoop 0. Okay, yeah, let be iPoop 0. Oh, it's taken already? No, it's not. It's totally not taken. Wait, I should probably record on the phone. It's going to put more stress on it. Oh, is there no recording? Oh, Apple, did you hide it? iPoop 0. Lauren 4456. And it's met S. Bonus, whatever the hell that means. Land. Oh, what the dog doing? Oh god, this has so much spread. Die. Yes, I got a kill on the iPhone X. Yeah, I got another kill. You think you can kill me? I killed you. Well, you think you're better than me because you're level 2, huh? Go there, Esmet. We don't need him. Ow! Anyways, I don't feel like watching. Right now I think that we should actually jailbreak it, so I'm going to use Dopamine. Alright, so we need the latest version of Plum Inspector. I already have iTunes and Dopamine. I need to use the public beta. I think I have to sign in, right? Yeah, add an account, okay. Alright, so I have Plum Impactor set up. Now, what do I have to do? Let's see. Installing the application. Okay, so first I have to plug in the device into the computer. Okay, plug it in. It's trusted and allowed to view the contents. Okay, so drag and drop the Dopamine icon to Plum Impactor and press install. Sounds easy enough. Do you mean no device? Maybe I need to open up iTunes. Plug it in to... Yes, I do. Are you stupid? Wait, Plum. What do you mean no device? Are you running in the background, you asshole? Yeah, there it is. Okay, so I just press install. Oh, no! The vendor, no! Finished. Okay. Once Dopamine is successfully installed, the computer is no longer okay. Trusting the application. Verified. So now I should be able to just open Dopamine. Requires developer mode. Why is it so difficult? Why can't I search it? Developer mode. Enable. Restart. Alright, so now I should be able to open Dopamine. There it is. We have some settings here. Kernel exploit, dark sword. Okay. Allow JIT in apps, sounds good. I download. Theme, boot logo. Okay, sounds fine to me. Let's jailbreak. Package manager, I hear Sileo is good. This cannot be empty. Well, what should I set it at? Oh. Okay, we have some custom boot logo. Oh yeah, and I have Sileo now. Would like to send you notifications? Sure. And there's nothing featured here. Do we have any sources? Untitled repo. I guess I just have to update it. Okay, I updated the repos. Let's go to featured and there it is. We have some jailbreak stuff here. Like calculator converter. Calculate smarter with built-in conversions. Oh yeah, sounds good. Oh, this is actually very cool. This is very cool. Oh, some things are paid. Well, this is the Apple way, I guess. I wonder if there's this little plugin that makes it that the icons on the home screen are interactable, like they just go up, go down when I shake the phone and stuff. It was very fun on the iPhone 6 Plus. Gravity. I guess I should just search Gravity. There's nothing like Gravity in the store. iPhone, Sileo, Gravity, home screen. Gravitation. Right, so I guess I would use something like Safari, add to Sileo, open in Sileo, add source, and now when I shake my phone, yo, it works. Alright, I should be recording now, so let me scramble, and now I can do some cool stuff. Okay, this is very good for ADHD, bro. This is so cool. SnowBoard, sorry, select theme, solve class. Let's do like the transparent icons. And yeah, it's transparent but not with the glass effect. Okay, so as you can see, the phone really appreciated the benchmark. While running the benchmark, we dropped over 10%, and there's something else. It's better than other iPhones though, so I guess that's the side effect, I guess, I don't know. So I may have lost the outro for this video, so I'm going to make a new one the next day. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any cool ideas on what I can do with this crazy old phone, then please let me know. I wish you a pleasant day.